My name is Angela. The business is Abbey Glass and we're based in Llantrisant in South Wales. I am the director for the company and I look after some of the larger scale projects. We're a commercial company and a lot of our projects are bespoke and tailored to suit the client's requirements. So we work with designers, architects and the customer alike. Biggest challenge for me was my very first project, which was for a Wetherspoons contract, and that was down in Cardiff Bay. I recently undertook a Lead Wales business course for women in leadership and management. It was a really great insight for me, very empowering. We're a member of the Llantrisant business group. They meet in this estate once every 3 months. And that's a good way to network and see what the other businesses in the area are doing. Marketing it's not a great area of ours, but we do really rely on word of mouth, and we work really hard to get it right first time, keeping that contact with the customer and making sure what they've had is what they wanted. Did they have it on time? Is there anything they want to change? Do they want us to do something better? We really do have that one-to-one customer contact, and that's important to us. There's a lady on the Lead Wales business course that I did. She's hugely inspirational to me. I do keep in touch with her. There's two ladies actually, I should say. Jo Bishop I keep in contact with, and Maggie Northam, both from Lead Wales. So yeah, we make sure that we are networking and speaking to each other back. Business tips. Don't give up, I think. Resilience is a great skill to have. Just keep going. It gets better.